Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one automatically faucet website to pay you automatically you are earning to your faucet pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are for your earning website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you automatically. If you're new in here, just click register, just put your email and password. You can easily make an account. I have already account. I just click and log in my account to show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, this is my account. I have this much coin. You can earn your free coin. First of all, you can watch the advertisement in here. I watch a advertisement, 11 advertisement available every day. You can watch it. The next way is a short links. You can complete the short links and you can earn free coin from this website and free points too. What the activate points doing in here, just you can unlock the booster. If you want to unlock 2x booster, you need 100 points. If you unlock 5x booster, you can earn 800 coins. This website pay you in your faucet pay and balance. Faucet pay, you know what is the faucet pay. In balance, you can withdraw manually from here. Okay, you can just click the balance. This will be pay you in here, and if the minimum withdrawal amount to reach it, you can easily withdraw your amount from here manually. The next way is a faucet. If you click faucet website and faucet pay, you can this website pay you automatically. Okay, you click any cryptocurrency you want to this website pay you every 1 minute. This much coin I have, this much time this will be take to pay me instantly to my faucet pay. And you can easily click balance. This will be added to your balance, and if you add it to your balance, this will be increase 50% bonus too. But I didn't recommend you to add an imbalance because sometimes they didn't pay you your withdrawal. Okay, the next way, if you're new in here, you come right now, you join this website for right now. First of all, go to change profile. Just put your faucet pay email address in here. Okay, if you didn't paste your faucet pay email address in here, this will be didn't work for you. First of all, paste your faucet pay email address, then come here and just click select all and just click launch earning. This will be pay you every 1 minute. Okay, every 60 seconds this will be paid. The booster is 1x. You can increase the boost if you earn activate points. I receive my first payout. I will be start video again. Okay guys, this is the first payout. This website sent me my this much satoshi to my faucet pay. This is the all payout you can see, but it is not too much, but this is automatically pay you, not money risk this website have. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description. You can easily make automatically earning from this website. And thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.